Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Login Times. Today I'll be showing you how you can sign up for your Udemy account. So let's get into the video. First of all, go to the Play Store or your App Store and download this application. If you are done installing this application, open this app. Now in order to create your new account, click on Sign In. At the bottom, you'll get to see the option of Create an Account. Click on it. You can create your account through your Google account or your Facebook account. All you have to do is click on those icons, but for now, click on Sign Up with Email. Here, enter your name for your Udemy account. Then enter your email and create some suitable password for your Udemy account. And once you are done, click on Create Account. Well, with this simple process, your Udemy account has been created successfully. Well, this is it and I really hope you found this video informative. Thank you for watching it till the end. We'll see you on my next video.